Welcome back to the Bass Brawlers TV. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Bass Brawlers TV. Today, we are fishing with the world's weirdest lure. Look at, what is that? I don't know. It's a weird lure. I've never seen them. Put the name, I don't know what it's called, but it's a weird looking lure. The rules are, for the challenge is we have to catch one species. We have to catch it under 5 minutes. So this timer is going to start now. And you guys, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button too. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So hopefully we can get there by the end of the year. I really hope, but I hear it. I hear the thunder, sadly. So I'm trying to, if I catch any bluegill on this lure, I'm going to use it for bait. That's lovely. Oh, it went like right there. But you guys, let's go ahead and start. We're going to come down here. All we have to do, and we've got about 4 minutes left, you guys. So this should be, let's see, does this float? Oh, it does float. Doesn't look like, oh, there's a bass bed right there, you guys. Let's just throw out a little food. It's not cheating. Okay. Weird looking lure. Let's try it on out. Come on. Oh, got one. And you guys, let's do this. We have to catch 2 fish on it, you guys. Okay, 2 fish. How about that? Oh, no. 2 fish. So that's 1 fish right there. So we have to catch 2 of them. That can be our challenge. So change of rules. 2 fish for the lure. Come on, we gotta catch another one, you guys. Oh. Oh, one just missed it. Look at that. Sorry, guys. I had someone just call me right there. Come on, we gotta get one more fish on here. Maybe if I get them a little fired up with some fish pellets right near here. Okay. Come on, one more fish. Dang it. Oh. Oh my God, we only got a minute left, you guys. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, dude. Oh, one just went for it. Oh, I got him. No! And there we go, you guys. He slammed it. Dang, boy. Oh, wow. Look, he's got like a teeth mark. Something got him. there you go, you guys. Well, the challenge just ended on that bluegill right there, you guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button like I said, because we are on the road to that 1,000 subs by the end of the year. So, you guys, let's try and make it happen, you guys. I think we can get it. As long as we got motivation, you guys, that's what matters. So, I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.